Welcome to exploring Android emulators. After watching this video, you will be able to recognize the importance of testing in Android app development process, discuss the key features, advantages, and drawbacks of the Android Studio emulator, identify popular external emulators and their functionalities, and compare the features and performance of various emulators with use cases. Imagine you're a developer working on a new Android application for a global audience in the fitness domain. To ensure it runs smoothly across diverse devices with various screen sizes, resolutions, and hardware specifications, you need extensive testing. However, testing on multiple physical phones is impractical and expensive, and therefore, leveraging tools like Android Emulator is the best choice. The Android Studio emulator is a powerful virtual device that can replicate the configurations of a real Android device. The tool is integrated into Android Studio, which is Google's official Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, for Android development. It allows developers to test their apps on various versions of Android and different device configurations without requiring physical devices. Let's explore the key features of Android Studio Emulator. These include multiple device profiles, various Android versions, Google Play integration, fast boot, snapshot features, sensor emulation, and network simulation. Let's look at these features in detail. The Android Studio emulator allows developers to create multiple virtual devices with diverse hardware profiles. For instance, various screen sizes, different resolutions, RAM configurations, and storage capacities. Next, it enables testing apps across various Android operating system versions, from older releases to the latest, guaranteeing compatibility across all supported versions. Android Studio Emulator also offers certain pre-installed emulator images with Google Play services that enable testing apps. Additionally, Android Studio emulators can simulate various sensors like accelerometers, gyroscopes, proximity sensors, and global positioning system, or GPS. You can test how your navigation app responds to different movement patterns by simulating GPS. Lastly, the Android Studio emulator allows simulation of different network conditions, such as bandwidth variations, latency, and packet loss, which helps in testing app performance under varying network scenarios. Let's now explore the pros of Android Studio Emulator, followed by its cons. Android Studio Emulator requires no extra installations or configurations since it's integrated with the IDE. It uses hardware acceleration for better performance. And lastly, it comes with a suite of debugging tools. Let's now explore its cons. First, the Android Studio emulator requires substantial system resources, requiring a powerful computer for smooth operation. Setting it up is also time-consuming as it involves downloading and configuring system images, along with the environment. Although the Android Studio emulator is a great tool, for developers seeking even greater flexibility and specialized features, external emulators offer a valuable option. These are standalone applications that provide an expanded toolkit for Android development, catering to specific testing needs. Common external emulators include BlueStacks, Genymotion, and Nox Player. Let's discuss each of these emulators. BlueStacks is a user-friendly emulator for running Android games on PCs and app testing. It boasts high performance with visuals optimized for gaming and runs multiple apps at once. However, BlueStacks has drawbacks such as limited development tools, lacking comprehensive debugging capabilities, and being ad-supported in its free version. Genymotion, an advanced emulator, offers versatile solutions through both cloud-based and on-premises platforms. Its key features include cloud-based emulation, which reduces local resource dependency, and a broad range of pre-configured virtual devices. However, the subscription cost may be expensive for some users. Setting it up also requires more effort than with built-in emulators. Lastly, Nox Player is popular for gaming and app testing. It offers root access and a macro recorder for automation, but lacks advanced development tools. Also, the free version includes ads. But how can you choose the most appropriate emulator? Selecting the appropriate Android emulator for your needs depends on several factors, including performance, ease of use, and cost. Let us compare all the emulators based on these important factors. For performance, Each emulator excels in different areas. The Android Studio emulator delivers high performance with hardware acceleration, although it consumes many resources. BlueStacks is ideal for gaming optimization, but might not fit all development scenarios. Genymotion offers excellent performance with local and cloud-based options. Nox Player performs well with multi-core CPU support, mainly targeting gaming. In terms of ease of use, the Android Studio emulator requires initial setup but integrates smoothly for developers. BlueStacks is easy to set up with a user-friendly interface, appealing to gamers and casual users. Genymotion needs more setup, but provides detailed documentation for gaming developers. Nox Player is easy to install, focusing on gaming features for quick use. In terms of cost, the Android Studio emulator remains free as part of Android Studio. BlueStacks offers free versions with ads and premium ad-free options. Genymotion operates on a subscription basis but offers a free trial. Nox Player also provides a free version with ads and a premium option to remove ads. Each emulator provides unique strengths to its users. The selection of an ideal emulator depends upon the specific needs of the developer. For developers engaged in application creation, the Android Studio emulator is an excellent choice. It provides comprehensive debugging tools and integrates seamlessly with various development environments. For game developers, emulators such as BlueStacks and Nox Player offer optimized performance for gaming scenarios. Their user-friendly interfaces and multi-instance support make them ideal for game development and testing. Many gamers use BlueStacks and Nox Player to play mobile games on their PCs, enjoying better controls for games like PUBG Mobile, Clash of Clans, and Free Fire. For advanced testing across different versions of Android, Genymotion is ideal. It offers a feature-rich environment to developers requiring extensive customization and superior performance. In this video, you learned that testing apps across various devices is crucial to ensure smooth operation for a global audience. Android Studio Emulator creates virtual devices with different configurations and supports various Android versions. External emulators offer developers greater flexibility and specialized features. BlueStacks optimizes gaming performance and allows app testing. Genymotion provides cloud-based options and extensive integration with IDEs. Nox Player supports gaming features with multi-core CPU support. Selecting the appropriate emulator depends on various factors: performance, offering smooth and fast performance; features, range of features provided by the emulator; ease of use, should have a user-friendly interface; and cost, ensure you get the best value based on your budget.